Hi, my name's Tony Bucci. I'm from the CANDU Owners Group, and we're here today to do a tour of the Eclipse facilities. And I'm here with a bunch of folks from China who operate the Qinsan nuclear plant. It's a CANDU design, and they're here to expand on leadership and management skills. So there's three key areas that we're here to observe. One is safety culture. The second is communication. How does the company communicate from the top down to the shop floor and vice versa? And the third area is developing and engaging our workforce. Well, it's part of the networking and channeling that we can do with each other. First of all, in the Canadian nuclear industry, it is fairly limited and specialized. And to have, again, partnership with Eclipse, it's great. That's one of the reasons why we have an established partnership with Eclipse, and we're glad that we can participate. And again, vice versa, we're learning from each other.